How to make and create school t-shirt design on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for t-shirt. Click on the first option, it will take you directly to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find school t-shirt option. Click on see all and choose any option, any template right here. For example, let's choose this one, and you can edit the text and everything right here, as you can see. So easy to edit. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.